This video will help you with the differentiation of polynomials. To put that in a simpler way, things with powers. And the question is taken from the WJEC C1 May 2008 examination. The question asks us to find the value of dy dx, where y is equal to 8 over x plus 3 root x, and we want that value when x is equal to 4. Now to do this, we first need to write our expression with powers. We can't start until there are powers to differentiate. So we think of this as 3 steps: getting on our marks, getting set, and then off we go. On your marks means to write down the expression which is to be differentiated. On your marks. Secondly, get set. Get set means we rewrite the expression using powers via the laws of indices. Set. And lastly, we can go. We can now differentiate by bringing down the power, multiplying by that power, decrease the power by 1 to give us a new power. Go. So, we're on our marks, now let's get set. But first we need to remind ourselves of some of the laws of indices. 1 over x can be written as x to the power of minus 1. So this tells us that 8 over x can be written as 8x to the power of minus 1. The square root of x, well, that's x to the power of a half. This tells us that 3 root x is 3x to the power of a half. So, we set, we write down our new expression as y equals 8x to the power of minus 1 plus 3x to the power of a half. And now it's time to go. So, differentiating means to bring the power down, decrease the power by 1. I've put in this one line that I wouldn't normally do in a calculation, but it does help for the benefit of this video. Bring the power down, decrease the power by 1. Half, that's the power, bring it down, and decrease the power by 1. Now in the C1 examination we're not using calculators, and so little things like taking away 1 from a half, minus 1, take away 1, they can easily lead to slips. So take your time, differentiate, and simplify your expression. The problem is now we wish to substitute the value of x equals 4. And our expression for dy dx now has powers which are rather difficult to handle without a calculator. So now we need to rewrite our expression for dy dx by using powers. Instead of powers, we need to rewrite them by using reciprocals and roots. X to the minus 2 over x squared. X to the minus a half over root x. Now we can substitute x equals 4. So on the denominator, 4 squared, root 4, 4 squared, 16, root 4 is 2, minus 8 over 16 is minus a half, and 3 over 2 times 2, 3 over 4, minus a half plus 3/4 is a quarter. What we've now done is we've differentiated and substituted x equals 4. We have found the value of the gradient of the tangent to the curve when x equals 4, and this value is